All right, working on this part today. Pretty much it's tubing with some angle welded on it. Not really sure what it's for, but these holes on some of them do not line up with the holes on the other side. So it's like 4x2 tubing, 1/4 inch thick. It looks like everything's plasma cut, or maybe like a really sloppy laser. I'm not real sure, but it looks like this side was cut, and then they like flip the tubing over and then cut the other holes. So some of them are misaligned. So I have to go through, check each part with alignment, for alignment. So a couple tips on this project is to have multiple squares set up so that I can check each measurement without having to continue locking and unlocking those squares and sliding that bar up and down. Also, another really nice little tool are these like cheap rulers that you can get. This one, it's etched, not very well, but it's etched. And if I had to do this with a tape measure, I've got to line it up with that little tiny mark down there, or that bracket, and then line up these holes. If I had to do each one with a tape measure, it would just be very time consuming. The tape measure would be falling off and falling on the floor and stuff like that. You could definitely use a tape, but having a ruler like this definitely helps. I've got multiple. I've got like a 4-footer, and then I've got a standard real long one over in the other side of the shop. So just really, this is a time saver.